My name is Ariana Prothero, and I'm a reporter for Education Week, where I cover education technology and student well-being. Will artificial intelligence hurt students' social skills and well-being, or could it help them build confidence and connect with others? That's not a hypothetical anymore. It's something educators are dealing with right now. AI is getting more powerful by the day, and some tools are even designed to help students build their social skills or support their mental health. In fact, a lot of students are already turning to AI chatbots for advice in coping with anxiety or figuring out how to handle relationships with family and friends. That raises some big concerns for experts in child development and mental health. They warn that kids may not be able to tell the difference between a chatbot that sounds empathetic and a real human who actually understands them. On top of that, some chatbots give inaccurate or even harmful advice that's not always easy to spot. And honestly, adults struggle with this too. A few high-profile lawsuits against tech companies over the suicide deaths of teens illustrate how high the stakes can be. But here's the tricky part. People naturally gravitate toward tools that sound human. So if these tools are designed well and give reliable information, they could genuinely be helpful. So what are schools to do? First, it's probably not realistic or even helpful to avoid AI completely. Instead, there is an opportunity here. AI chatbots can give students a low-pressure space to practice real-life interactions. First, it's probably not realistic or even helpful to try to avoid AI completely. Instead, there can be an opportunity here. AI chatbots can give students a low-pressure space to practice real-life interactions. For example, they could rehearse having a tough conversation that they need to have with a teacher or classmate before having it in person. Or they can practice job interviews, which can ease their anxiety and build confidence. At the end of the day, the takeaway is pretty simple. Students need guidance. If we can teach them how to use these tools thoughtfully and responsibly, they'll build skills they can use in school and beyond. For more stories on this and other education technology topics, visit edweek.org.